What's up, everybody? It's your boy Stacks, and we're here with the Cosmos Audio. That's Johnny, he's the owner, and we got all the Cosmos Audio guys, baby. So I want to introduce to y'all the 32-inch Cosmos Audio sub, and this is the unboxing. We are making history here, y'all. Today, 2018 of September, the Cosmos Audio has been born, and these are our babies. Cosmos Audio, baby. Cosmos Audio. We just unloaded a whole truckload of OFC wire, subs. Drum roll, please. The Cosmos Audio 32-inch sub, baby. You hold my hand on that magnet so y'all can see how big it is. Jesus.
Man, you gotta see this.
Jesus. 32 inches.
Desiree!
32 inches,
We're
baby.
missing you here. Let me turn the screen up. All right, let's flip because there's Cosmos Audio on the other side.
32 inches, baby.
32 inches Cosmos Audio. All right, let's put them there. Mira esto, Desi. Entre todos, ¿verdad? Más manos. Yeah. Guys.
Woo!
All right, let's put on top of that. 1, 2, 3.
Woo-wee!
Wow.
There we go. There we go. Cosmos Audio. Look at that surround.
Wow.
Look at that surround. Fat surround. We got it all here, y'all. All the Cosmos Audio. OFC wire, 0 gauge, 4-aught OFC, hot ground, 800 RMS subs, 1600 watt max. We got my subs. Let me show you my subs. I hadn't did an open box on them yet, but they're coming. They're coming. They are coming. It's big, baby.
Yes.
These will be my subs. These are the 2500 RMS, dual 1-on 15-inch, die-cast aluminum frame, non-pressed paper cone, 4-inch high temp, bass voice core, multi-layer Nomex spotter, high efficiency, optimized motor. We are here, my 415s, baby. It's about to go down. It's demo time. Fuck y'all talking about. Cosmos Audio. Look how big that dust cap is. Look how big the dust cap. Look how big it's surround. Jesus. It's here. Alright. And we will be putting this inside of, this will be going inside the Cosmos van. We're going loud. We're out. The next shipment I bring y'all will be the video of all the amplifiers. It's going down.